So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your account private on Steam. So sometimes it could be really helpful if you want to hide your account from someone, if you don't want to show your games, to show your inventory or something like this. So how to make it happen? All we need is just to open our Steam profile. So this is our library page. And then we just need to open our profile at all. So just click on your nickname right up here and then just click on profile. So now, as you can see, this is my profile and it just totally opened. So how can we change the settings? All we need is just to click on edit profile right up here, and then in our settings we need to find the privacy settings right up here, and here in my profile we can change it to private right now. By the way, if you don't want to show, for example, only inventory, you can change the inventory to private or something like this. But of course, in this tutorial, I will show you how to turn the wall profile into private. So just change it to private, and then everything was saved. And if we'll try to go to our profile now, we can see that nothing changed, but the other people won't be able to see these areas of our account. They will also see just this account is private. So this is the only way how you can do this. So guys, I hope this video was useful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye.